Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope that you all are fine. Alhamdulillah. This is English period now for students of class 3 and class 3. Today we are going to learn a new grammar concept. But before starting that, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. So students, we are going to start a new grammar topic from our workbook. I hope that you all have your workbook with you. Very good. So today we are going to learn a concept of punctuation. Now listen to me very carefully that what is punctuation? Punctuation is rules for writing. It means in the punctuation, there are some basic things you have to remember, and as you are you are learning basic things, so you have starting of the punctuation with the very small things. These are capital letter, full stop, question mark, quotation mark, commas. And today we are going to learn about capital using capital letter, full stop, and commas. So and question mark as well. So about writing, that is called punctuation. This is given on page number 38 in your workbook. So let's move on to the further and see that how you will use such type of punctuation in the sentence. Where to use capital letter? First word, it starts with capital letter. It means when you are writing a sentence, your sentence first word starts with the capital letter. Proper noun starts with the capital letter. It means when you are writing proper noun anywhere in your sentence, it will always start with the capital letter. For example, if you are writing the name of a place, so you will write it with the capital letter. If you are writing the name of any person, so it will be begin with the capital letter as it is a proper noun. Full stop or question marks. Full stop and or question mark always put at the end of the sentence. It means when your sentence is completed, and if it is a simple sentence or negative sentence, so you will use full stop at the end. And if it is a questionnaire sentence, it means if you are asking something in that sentence, so that sentence will be ends with question mark. For example, if you are asking something like what is your name, so this sentence will be end with question mark as we are asking something, and any other simple sentence will be end with question mark will be end with full stop. So these are the rules, and further I am telling you, listen to me. Comma is this one. We put comma when we are writing same kinds of words in a sentence or in a paragraph. For example, the names of the vegetables are written in the sentence, and these are more than two names. For example, onion, carrot, cucumber, lemon. So these are continuously names coming in the sentence. So we have to separate these words by putting comma between it. For example, we will put comma after onion, we will put comma after carrot, we will put comma after cucumber, and this is the way we will follow the rule of using comma. When we give pause in a sentence or paragraph, we will always use comma when we want to give a pause in a sentence. It means we want to stop, and we want a reader to stop there in the sentence, so we will put comma after that word. So these are the rules where we have to follow using comma in the sentence. So I am also solving an example on the board for you, so you will clear more about using punctuation rules. First sentence I have taken from your workbook, which is from your exercise that is given to you. It is, are they taking English lesson? This is a sentence given to us, and we have to use correct punctuation rule to make this sentence correct. First of all, look at here that this word is small. And we have learned in the punctuation rules that the first word of the sentence always starts with capital letter. So here is a punctuation mistake, and we have to correct it, that it will be look like it. because it is the first letter of the first word of the sentence, so its first letter will be capital. Then, are they taking English lesson? Now see that it is a question, so there should be a question mark at the end. So we will correct it. Are they taking English lesson? Question mark. Why the question mark will be written here? Because it is a questionnary sentence. So this is how you have to correct the punctuation mistakes given in your workbook exercise. Now let's move on to the next example, so you will be clear more about it. Here's the second example, that is, my father bought onion, cauliflower, peas and cabbage. Now remember, you have remembered the rule that the sentence always the first letter of the word or the sentence always begins with the capital letter. So here is a mistake I found. So I will correct this one. And the next mistake I found here, that there is missing something. Now you can see the names of the vegetable are continuously written here, but we can see that we have learned that when there is same kinds of words written in the sentence, so we will put comma between those words. So here we can see that between onion and cauliflower, there should be a comma. So we will correct this one as well. First word capital, my father bought onion, comma, cauliflower, comma, peas and cabbage. Now this is the last one, and before the last word we will write end. So this is how you will be, and it will be end with full stop. Why? Because it is a simple sentence. There is no any question in this sentence, so it will end with full stop. So these are the punctuation rules, and we have to apply these rules in our exercise that is given to us in the workbook. At page number 38, these are the sentences, and here